Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be discussing whether or not Amazon is oversaturated in 2018 and whether or not you should actually start an Amazon business. So before we get started, please consider clicking the subscribe button, hitting the bell notification. If you are new here, my name is Shimi Morris. I do Amazon training videos, I have a course, I have a bunch of different things, I do business training, and my YouTube channel is full of these videos, and I upload a video every single day. So now that we've gotten past that, let's get started. Is Amazon oversaturated in 2018, or is it just oversaturated now? Whenever you're watching this video, are you watching this video in 2019 or 2020? Is it oversaturated? The answer is no, it's not. And that's a bit of an empty answer. I'm going to actually fill that answer with information. Why do I think that Amazon isn't oversaturated now? Well, firstly, there are lots of Amazon courses, there are lots of Amazon sellers, there are lots of Amazon gurus, there are lots of training videos, and there are tons of people who know how to sell on Amazon. Tons, right? So it's very normal to think that Amazon is oversaturated. I wouldn't think any worse of you if you were like, no, Amazon is oversaturated, it's rubbish. If you have done your research though, you would find that Amazon isn't actually oversaturated. Amazon get about 180 million customers a month. 180 million. That is a number that I don't even know how many zeros that has. It's just a flipping huge number, okay? It's massive. That's how many customers they get a month. Now, I do product research every single day, okay? And every single day, I don't find products every single day, but every week I come up with a list of products. And I'm actually starting a segment called Money Mondays, and I'll be talking about this, but that's to come later. But what I'm saying is I do product research very often, I watch training very often, and I find amazing potential products all the time. All the time. If Amazon was oversaturated, would I be finding those products? No, I wouldn't. And if I was finding those products, it would take me a month or 2 months or 3 months to find them. Now, if it does take you a month or two to find a product, it doesn't mean Amazon's oversaturated. It just means you're either doing it wrong, or you're looking in the wrong market, or maybe you're just having a bit of bad luck and you just can't find a product, but there is a product out there that you could sell. So as I said, 180 million people buy on Amazon every single month. I find products every single week, and there is just so much potential. For example, even if you started selling the exact same product as us, right? It doesn't matter, because on the top page there are 20 listings per page. The number one spot will get the majority of the sales, and that's very, very normal. If you think about it, the first thing you click is the number one spot, right? The number two spot will get the second most traffic, and the number three spot will get the third most traffic. And then from then on, the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, it's sort of like split evenly between them, because at that point anyone just buys anything, right? So the main two spots you want to be focusing on are the number one and the number two spot. We have the number two spot with our product, and we have a number two spot on a bunch of other products, and we have a number one spot for some of our products on certain keywords. If you can get a product to the number one or two spot, you are in a gold mine, providing that that product has enough demand. So if you do the research properly and the product has a good amount of demand, you can easily get to the number 1 to 3 spot. Now, Amazon is not oversaturated. Yes, there are people who know the methods of the good photos and the good description and the good bullets and the good title and the keywords and the giveaways and the PPC and the Facebook ads and the YouTube ads. People do know this, but not everyone knows this. There's a fair few people who don't know this, and the majority of people don't know this. And if you do know this, you're still on a pedestal. You're still slightly higher than everyone else. Because let's say there's 1 million sellers on Amazon, okay? I don't know the number, I just made that up. But let's say there's 1 million sellers. I would probably say that maybe only like 100,000 of them actually know all these different tactics that we teach, right? There are still tons of people who don't know this stuff, right? And eventually they will know this stuff. But by the time they know this stuff, there's going to be so many more products on the market. So there is no reason to think that Amazon is too saturated now, that there's no possibility to sell on Amazon. There's no reason to think that. There's still a possibility, and just to prove it even further, we found a product a couple of months ago, 3 months ago. We are just about to list that product on Amazon. That product is going to be on the number 1 to 2 spot by the end of March. We are going to guarantee that that product's going to get there by the end of March, because we are going to do everything in our power to get it there, because we know tons of stuff to get it there. We are going to get that there. And this is 2018, so this is when people think Amazon is overly saturated. Well, clearly it's not, is it? So my answer was no, and that entire 5-minute video was why it was no. So let me know in the comments below if you think Amazon is overly saturated, and if you do, give a description. Give a reason. Why do you think Amazon is overly saturated? And don't just think it, but have you tried it and it's failed, or have you done research? What's your reasoning? So let me know in the comments down below. I'm really, really interested to find out. Maybe I can change your mind. Maybe I can talk you through it, or maybe you can change my mind. Who knows? But let me know in the comments down below, and please give this video a thumbs up. It's really helpful to me, really helpful to my channel grow to 1 billion subscribers. First channel with 1 billion subscribers. No, I'm just kidding. But it helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it, and I'm very excited to see you in tomorrow's video, because I bring out a video every single day at 6 p.m. GMT.